Okay, now let's assume that you also already have um, Google account, but you need to set up a Google Analytics one. Once you log into your Google account, okay, it will take you here and you need to walk through the steps of creating an actual account with the analytics platform. And then you create a property for your new website. Because of the new GA4 edition, you need to make sure that you also are checking to set up a universal analytics property because it will have you do GA4 by default, and not all website plugins, particularly those that are connected with WordPress, are updated to have GA4 capability just yet, which means you'll have to put additional code on your website. Just a big step forward that you don't want to have to do. So in order to utilize the ease of a plugin, when you come into analytics, it's going to ask you to set up an account. And you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. Now you want to set it up with your business name, should be your account. Okay? We'll go through right here. You want to leave those things checked. You can read all the details as you want. That's not the point of this tutorial. Then we have next. Now you want to put up the property name. So I already have a business, I have one website, but let's say I create another website for a similar brand or for a sister brand. Those can all be under here, but you're going to name it for the sake of your first business. Still keep it with your business name website. Okay. Now, if you just hit next, it's going to take you to a step that is going to create the GA4 setup, but not Universal Analytics, which is what we need. However, Google doesn't always want us to know that, so they bury the things that we need now. Annoying. Make sure you click Show Advanced Options, and you'll see Universal Analytics. It's outdated for their purposes. Still works great on your website, but you need to toggle this switch on. Okay? Then you can type in here, right? And go ahead and create both of them. Okay, you don't want to just do universal analytics because again, we're taking a step into the future. We just need to make sure our bases are currently covered. Then you can hit next and walk through the rest of this process. Okay, it's really important to do this because a lot of the, if you just keep hitting next, right, you're going to miss that universal analytics property, and you need that for plugins like Monster Insights, for example, which makes it really easy to connect your Google Analytics with your website. But in order to do that, you can only have a universal analytics property. They're not ready for GA4 yet. They will. It's only a matter of time, but they're not there now. So make sure that you just really, when you're in this property setup phase, that you always go through and pop out the advanced options and toggle on the universal property.